Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how you can effectively use Notion to plan your YouTube content. This is your full 2025 guide to mastering content planning and execution. Let's kick things off by setting up a new page on Notion. To do this, click on the plus new page button at the bottom of your sidebar. You can title it something like YouTube Content Plan. The reason we do this is to have a dedicated space for all our YouTube planning needs. Now that we've done that, let's create a table to list all our video ideas. Click on the plus Add a Block button, select Table, and name it Video Ideas. This helps us because it gives us a bird's eye view of all our potential content. You can include columns for the video title, status, script, notes, and any other details you find useful. All right, next up, we're going to add a calendar to map out our video release schedule. Click plus Add a Block again, then select Calendar, and name it Release Calendar. The reason we do this is to visually track when each video is due to go live. This will help you keep accountable and ensure a consistent upload schedule. This is the exciting part. Let's connect our video ideas table with our release calendar. Click on a date in your calendar and select Link to Database. Choose Video Ideas from the list. This helps us because it automatically populates the date with the video information, saving time and keeping everything synchronized. Now, let's create a template for each video project. In the Video Ideas table, click on the Templates button at the top right, and then plus New Template. You can include sections for scripting, research, editing, and so on. Let me explain why this matters. Having a standard template for all your video projects streamlines your workflow and ensures you don't miss out on any important steps. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've created a comprehensive YouTube content plan on Notion. This simple yet powerful system will help you stay organized, keep track of your ideas, and maintain a consistent posting schedule. Thanks for tuning in today. Remember, planning is the first step towards success, so take advantage of tools like Notion to keep your YouTube content game strong. Until next time, happy planning.